Welcome back. Now in this course we're going to look closer at some of the functions inside of the menus and submenus in Microsoft PowerPoint. For example, inside of the File menu, we're going to look at using the Export feature as well as changing some of the options. Inside of the Insert menu, we're going to look at adding sections, using Smart Art, adding hyperlinks, using 3D models, using action buttons, zoom, and screen recordings. Inside of the Design menu, we're going to look closer at using a picture background. In the View menu, we're going to look at using the Slide Master as well as using the Slide Sorter. In the Slideshow menu, we're going to look closer at the presenter view, recording your presentation, and then presenting on. And we're going to look closer at some of the add-ins, including Camtasia Studio. Now to get started, you may want to take a look at your workspace. And in looking at the workspace, you can left-click all of the elements on the bottom ribbon to find extra elements that you will be able to use when you're working inside of your PowerPoint presentation. So for example, we can click the Notes section, and then we can start writing notes in this space. And of course, we can raise the level of the notes area. We can also look at the display settings by left-clicking. And we can choose to optimize, or we can choose to optimize for compatibility. We can also look at the Slide Sorter view from this panel. And we can look at the reading view of our PowerPoint presentation. One of the other things that we can do is we can increase the size of the slide and zoom in and zoom back out. And if we want it to be its normal size, all we need to do is to click Fit Slide to Current Window, and then we'll be able to see the entire slide. And of course, we can readjust the size by using this bar. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.